You only fail when you stop trying. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahi. Now I call Miss Anushka for importance of the day.
Morning all of you. My name is Anushka Pankaj. I am studying 6th class. I am giving importance. Today's importance is the day of the second, the health, the environment health day, third, the Google birth anniversary. He was born on 1 October 1944. Childhood in village Dhanmodi till 8. After teaching training in 1964, he started teacher profession. On 26 June 1967, he got married to Hira Brahmani. During his service, he imparted good moral to the student. Class teaching and writing were easy. In the beginning, he was transferred to many villages, so he kept the family in Amravati. Around 1980, he started social work. On October 14, 1983, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar created Cooperative Society, and in 1984, Maxim Dhyan Prasar Mandal on Education Institutes was found one by one. Anand Prathamik Marathi Shala, Anand Madhyamik Vidyalay, Urken Sangarakshit International School, Email. Thank you.
Thank you, Anushka. Now I call Master Rao for news because we should know what is happening around us. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aradhan Mamta Leadership Jagannath. I am studying 6th class. Today I will tell you some news. Russia and Ukraine hold the second round of talk today. Indian COVID-19 vaccination covers 71 crore marks. ICC announced the 15th member of T20 World Cup. Thank you. Thank you, Alam. Now I call Miss Swatantri for book review because book review give deep information about the book and the author.
Good morning all of you. My name is Swatantri Vaishali Rashtrapal and today I am going to tell you a book review. The book name is The Singing Cobbler. This book is published by Durga Publications. The characters of this book are Henry. He was a cobbler and a rich man. So let's come to our story. Once upon a time, there was an Henry who loved to sing a song while he worked. One day the people hear his song. He will very impressed from his song. Near the Henry lived a rich man. He had every luxury you could imagine. The rich man also heard his song and they called the Henry. Then what happened next? If you want more information about this book, so read this book, The Singing Cobbler. It is available in our school library in G16 section. Thank you.
Thank you for Miss Swatantri. Now I call Siddhant for GK question because GK helps us to connected and up to date with every part of book. Good morning all of you. My name is Siddha Subhashinde and today I will ask you some amazing GK general knowledge questions and also ask you some GK general knowledge questions about Dandolo Saran life. In which year did World War II end?
1917.
Um, 1945 is the right answer. In which year did the Titanic sink? In which year did the Titanic sink? 1912 is the right answer. What is the capital of South Korea? Seoul is the right answer. Who discovered elements radium and polonium? I repeat, who discovered the element radium and polonium? Yes, Marie Curie is the right answer. Which is the oldest country? Egypt is the right answer. Older than 5000 BC. Now I ask you some questions about the Danvajra Sal line, whose birthday is today. What was the full name of Danvajra Sal? Yes, you forgot their father name. Janardhan Govindrao Rakshit is the right answer. What was the name of Danvajra Sal's mother? I repeat, what was the name of What is the name of Danvajra Sal's mother? Anjana Bai is the right answer. To whom Danvajra Sal was married? Yes, Hira Brahmani is the right answer. What was Danvajra Sal's first business? Yes, cycle rickshaw is the right answer. What was his salary? Danvajra Sal's salary at his first business? Repeat. 110 rupees is the right answer. Thank you. Now I have Vaishnav for leaders and men.
My name is Vaishnav Ajay Shende. Vaishnav Anita Ajay Shende. Today I ask readers their tales of facts. First, I ask readers, what has a head, a tail, is brown and has no legs? What has a head, a tail, is brown and has no legs? A penny. Right answer is a penny. I speak without a mouth and hair. Without ears, I have no body, but I am alive with the wind. What I am. Ego is the right answer. The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it? Darkness is the right answer. What is so struggle that staying in its name breaks it? Silence is the right answer. Now I tell some facts. The anteater can eat in 3000 insects in